Hi everyone, so in this video I'm gonna talk about how to get clients online in the real world. So I had been really struggling to get agency leads online, to be honest. As a freelancer, it was really okay to generate leads through LinkedIn and then even social media, but ever since I transformed my business from freelancing type to agency style, I really didn't know how to present my ideas or how to showcase our business. I was struggling a lot. So I wanted to build this strategy, and then I found some of effective ways to improve this way. So I wanted to share with you today. And then with this strategy, I was able to increase my conversion rate from CTA link to form submission by 20%, which is tangible result. And also I was able to have 3 quality leads last week. So that's also another growth that I can confidently say about. Hope this video helps you a lot, okay? So first of all, I want to address these problems here. So in online world, people won't trust you like really easily if you don't have any proof or if you don't have any record of success or something like that. So you need to actually pitch yourself really hard by linking to your past experiences. It can be just your speaking skills or something like that, or sales skills. So you need to prove why we need to hire you as a partner or something like that. Because obviously there are lots of scams going on online, and then most people prefer local business, meaning people want to buy some services or products from their country, not globally. If you don't have specific niche that you can actually persuade. And also number 3, people don't want to spend money for nothing without any getting value in return. For example, we do global marketing specializing in social media and Facebook ads. And then if we don't generate the tangible result, like no growth, no engagement growth, no followers growth, or no leads growth or something like that, clients can be really frustrated by the result itself. So that's why initially it's really important to set your KPI by discussing with your client a lot, and then let them know this is the amount we can generate with your budget, so that you can actually adjust their expectation first. So that there is no misunderstanding during the collaboration itself. Anyway, go back to the topic we talked about. So to tackle those issues, you need to, number 1, improve your visibility to reach those clients. As I said before, I talked about how to secure lead generation through LinkedIn, and then you need to actually set your social media every platform possible to have the high visibility on Google or even other search engine first. Even though you don't actually publish any content there, I really recommend you just hop on every platform, just put the bio there and make it searchable. That's it, okay? So improve your visibility to reach your dream client or your prospect. And then you need to build online trust to generate leads. You can do through LinkedIn for sure if you are a freelancer, or even if you are an owner of agency. LinkedIn is also great. And then number 3, prove your work result to close the deal successfully, aka portfolio. I also talked about how you can build your portfolio before as a freelancer. So please check out the video if you haven't watched that before. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box below, okay? So these 3 things we need to actually tackle. And then previously before that, when I was a freelancer, I utilized Upwork as a first resource, and then second, LinkedIn. That's how I made lead generation. But as I said before, I transitioned my business model to more of an agency style, boutique agency style. So to attract more bigger scope of work, we had to present we are a company that we can support you really in a professional way. That was kind of like my idea that could be improving our website visitors journey itself. So I thoroughly optimize my visitors steps through Google Analytics and also other resources like metrical analytics and also meta business analytics. And then I updated my submission information first, and then I continuously changed the CTA link copywriting, and also I simplified the branding message itself. Previously, before that, I kind of like say we do SEO, social media, and Facebook ads. Obviously, we do like that, but it's more about like broad ways. It's not about like simple message. So that's why I just changed a little bit, just social media, Facebook ads, and then if they want SEO part, we can support additionally. But right now we are focusing on social media, Facebook ads. So you need to simplify your brand messages, okay? And also your copywriting website, what you offer, your resources, the free resources, and your case study, and then presenting yourself on social media and blogs and then website. It should have really cohesive looks to attract your client. So that's how I tested, and then it improved by 20%, so which is really good. I'm currently exploring another ways to improve. Currently, I made our company profile on LinkedIn at the same time, and then see how we can utilize that one too. And then we are currently publishing more blog posts and then improving our current case studies to showcase the more clear view. And we also listed our agency in some of the trustworthy agency listing platforms. So that's kind of like another tool that we can actually get those traffics at the same time. And also we've got traffic from link in bio on social media. And then with one YouTube video, we were able to increase our email list almost by 3x. So I'm just going to focus on YouTube, blog, and then website SEO, and then improving agency listing, and then listing our website into all of search engines. So hope it was helpful for you. And then if you are a freelancer, actually you don't have to own or have your website like really professionally, and then creating your content on like major platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. If you are feeling comfortable with showing your face, that's okay. You can generate leads like that. But if you run a business like or agency type, I think the branding itself somewhat important, to be honest. And then this is one thing I haven't realized before, because I was too much focusing on like short form videos creation, to be honest. And then if I can go back to the beginning of my agency journey, I should probably just focusing on like more professional way, like listing my agency into third-party platforms like the trustworthy agency listing platforms, and then improving SEO more than that. So if you have a specific niche, SEO really important to generate leads for sure. And then I envision my business just having more sustainable approach, not really throwing lots of content creation on all of social media. So I have just 3 content creation per week on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube Shorts, those just repurposing our content there, and then 2 YouTube videos on YouTube, and then 1 blog per week or something like that. And then additionally improving SEO time to time. That's kind of like I'm doing my process. And then I think I can update LinkedIn company page, and then how we can utilize more successfully later, so that I can support you at the same time. So as I said before, I was able to generate tangible results through my website online. And then I think you should follow if you want to. If you have any questions, just feel free to let me know. I can answer your question if possible. Bye for now.